Hello YouTube fans, it's your boy Brad here with another video. Today we're going to be looking at the batteries that I got in for this Andoer CY-100 watt cob light. The batteries that I purchased came from Amazon. These are the Joiry branded battery. These are lithium-ion batteries. Here's batteries. There's some big chunky batteries. These are the NPF970 batteries. It says 7.2 volts, 8800 milliamps, 63.4 watt hours. So there's two of these, and again, I got them on Amazon. The link will be below if you want to take a look at these batteries. Let me go ahead and let's go and see how these fit into the cob light. Again, you just push on the side. It makes a little click. The door comes open. There's two little prongs here at the back. On here you have your two little connections here. Stick it in, slide it back, and it's locked in place. Of course, they stick all the way out the door, so there's no closing the doors. On the other side, same thing. Click. Turn it around. The prongs are at the back. Put it in, slide it back, and we have those locked in. Let's see what we have for light. Okay, let's hit the switch on the back here. Remember, if you go up, it goes to the plug, and we're not plugged up, we click it down, and the light comes on. So everything's working perfectly fine. Shows that they're 100% charged, and I'm gonna go ahead and wind this puppy up. Let's see what happens at 100. Brighter, brighter. One more, and we're at 100. So they're holding up. I will do another test on these to see how long that they will last at 100 watts continuous, and I get back with you on that one. Right now we're going to look at the power output. Let me get my Cyconic light meter, and we'll see what the power output and whether it's compatible to when it's plugged up to the AC DC adapter. Alright guys, we're all set up here. I'm going to try to use the same parameters, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take just one reading with the batteries, and then I'm going to plug the AC adapter back up to the light again and take one reading with the AC adapter plugged up. We're again at 6 feet. I have my Cyconic set up at 60th of a second, ISO 400, and right now we're on the batteries, and I'm going to zoom all the way in here real quick, and I've already kind of tested it and took a reading. So I'm at 100 power on the light, and we'll take a reading, push the button, and that's actually the reading at 100% power. Okay, now all I'm going to do is take the batteries out, leave everything the same, and hook up the AC DC adapter and see what reading we get. Okay, I got the batteries out, got the AC DC adapter hooked up, and we're going to push the button. And we get the exact same reading. I don't have the bulb pushed out. I'm just going to see if there's a difference there with the bulb in or the bulb. So let's get the same reading. So pointed directly, guys, we're getting the exact same output with the batteries as we would be getting with the AC DC adapter. So there's no loss of power there if your batteries are fully charged. Next thing I'm going to do is see how long this light will run on just batteries, and that'll be another video. Hey, thank you guys for following my channel. Please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. Y'all have a blessed day.